Meaning of descant.
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 Descant. Descant has multiple meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it can refer to a melody sung or played above a main melody. As a verb, it can mean to sing or play a descant, or to comment extensively on a topic. In both cases, the result is an additional layer of sound or meaning that enriches the original. Descants can add complexity and interest to music, while in discussions, they can provide valuable insights or alternative viewpoints. Overall, descant refers to an enhancement or expansion of something that already exists.